Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video you can already tell from the thumbnail and the title, I'll be doing a nude cat eye makeup look. This is very different for me because I never did a nude eye with a cat eye, liner and all of that stuff. But we're gonna jump right in. Make sure you already subscribe before we jump into this video. Turn on your bell, and yeah, let's jump right in. Okay guys, so I already did my whole entire base off camera because the main focus of this video is going to be the eyes only. So I already did my foundation, my concealer, my contour, and I didn't do my eyebrow yet. I just cleaned it up underneath and I put my concealer all the way down to my eyelid. It's the same thing, nothing new. You guys see me do this 1,000,001 times. So I decided not to do it on camera because it's the same thing. Plus, I do not have any new makeup. Like, nothing new here. Nothing. Seriously. Nothing. Alright. So I did use my concealer and I bring it all the way down to my eyelid. I did not set it. So right now it is creasing up on me. But if you want to do a look like this, do your regular foundation on your concealer. You don't have to use the same thing I use. Whatever you have, do it. You don't need to go all out and spend your money on something that is too expensive and then you can't pay your bills. Don't do that, please don't. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Patrick Star powder before it starts getting creased up on me. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrow later on. Just gonna focus on the eyes and stuff like that, so that's gonna be doing later on. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go into a foundation that is my skin tone or one shade darker. Okay, take any palette that you have. I think I'm gonna go into this Juvias Place palette, and this shade is my skin tone. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but this shade right here is definitely my skin tone, and if I want to like warm it up, I could go into this, maybe, not sure. So I'm gonna take a brush. I'm using a fluffy, I think eyeshadow is on this. This is my third video of the day, guys. I'm seriously, like, no joke. Today's Sunday for me. This is my third video of the day. Let me tell you something. You guys see like 20 minutes? It's not 20 minutes for us. It's like an hour and a half. All right. So I'm going to take this shade right here. Really nice. If you don't have this palette, you could take any brown shade that is like your skin tone or like a little bit close to your skin tone and just put it on. So what I'm going to do, I'm pretty much going to put it all over my eyelid, like all over, like feather it all over. And as you can see, I am putting it on. It gives it a little bit of like warmth to it, but not too much. So you want to like get a shade that is like your skin tone or a little teeny bit darker. As you guys can see, I am like putting it on, and it's like blending right into my skin. And this is going to be a very short video because I want to focus on the eyes only. So this is going to be a really short video that you guys can do at home and just follow me. And also, if you want, you could go all the way down to your contour on your nose because it's like my skin tone, so it's not going to be looking bad. And normally when you do your contour, you go right into your eyeshadow that you have, so you could go ahead and do that. Just bring it all the way down to where you normally would have contoured your nose. Okay, so you see how this is like very soft and subtle. You could leave it like this and do your cat eye, but if you want to like spark it up a little bit more, you can go into, I think I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm going to go into this shade right here. This one. It's a little bit darker. And I'm only going to put it like right onto the lid. like kind of like feather it out, because you just want to have a little bit of color onto your eyes. As I said, this is a nude cat eye makeup look, so you just want to like feather it on, and you don't want to put too much. Just kind of feather it on. Just feather it on and blend it right into the other color. Alright, so next we're going to use our wing liner. I always use this. This is the only wing liner I have. This is from NYX. If you have another wing liner, go ahead and use it, but make sure it's black. And this is the tip. It's like a pencil tip. Really fine, but not too fine. So this is what I always use. So I can't talk when I'm doing my wing liner. You just better watch me and see how I do it. Okay guys, so focus camera. All right. Okay, so you see how I do it? I kind of start from the outer, and then I just kind of angle it up, not straight, up into an angle, and then I bring it in, and then I like blend in the middle, and then I start from the outer corner, and then I kind of do a little V. Like I start and I bring it a little bit out, and then I connect the line here, but I didn't bring it all the way. So this is how you get the cat eye. Some people kind of go it a little bit more, but you don't have to do it. It's still a cat eye, and you just have to just kind of take your time, and your hand have to be very like it cannot be shaky. Like take your time, put your mirror right here, and just do it. So I'm gonna do the other side right now. Okay guys, so next what you want to do is put on your lashes. These lashes are from Amazon. I got it into a set, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on these lashes. And you could put on any lashes that you have, but just make sure that it's like very fluffy and kind of dramatic, you know. You don't want a natural lash. Don't get no natural lash. Oh, this is so pretty already. I can't. And then just squeeze them together so that your lashes and the falsie are blend right in. Okay, so I'm gonna bring the shade that I use for the top to the bottom, just to kind of like have a little color underneath. I mean, you don't have to do it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just put some color, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my mascara. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look. This is the finished product. It was so simple, so easy to do, and I know you guys can do it with me. You don't need a whole lot. As I said, do your foundation, do your makeup, do your whole entire face, and just come with me. Turn on my video, get your wing liner, get your nude eyeshadow, and get your lashes and whatever lip you have. Let me tell you something. Nude eyes with red lips is bomb. It is so bomb. As you can see, like it is giving me kind of like, what I say, Marilyn Monroe kind of vibes. This is so nice, and I just put on my turban. I'm kind of be Patrick Star today, you know. Patrick Star love his turban, and I just want to put on something, you know, simple and nice, cozy and nice, you know. It's cold outside, so hey, why not? Alright guys, so I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to tune in every day for more videos. Turn on your bell, turn on your subscribe button. Click the subscribe button, as I should say. Tongue tie. Click that subscribe button, turn on your bell, and yeah, that is it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.